Bonjour Jessica, j'espère que tu vas bien. Nous sommes le samedi 29 février. C'est la leçon 7 sur 35. Quel jour sommes-nous? What is the day today? Nous sommes le samedi 29 février. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 5 heures, or we can say 17 heures. Quel temps fait-il? Weather. Il fait beau. C'est parfait. It's perfect. So, be careful of this word, because we don't pronounce the T in French. L'art. Enfin, tu sais, j'aime, I like, I love, j'aime l'art, j'aime la cuisine. I love art, I love the cuisine. Whatever cuisine. J'aime la cuisine française. J'aime la cuisine mexicaine. J'aime la cuisine japonaise. Okay? So, I tried to challenge you the last time because, I know you can go through this kind of stuff with no problems and you can understand and memorize. So, j'étais au Mexique. That means I was in Mexico. J'étais au Mexique. Où te trouvais-tu? Se trouver is like to be located. Where were you located exactly in Mexico City? Because it's big. Je me trouvais, still a past tense, hein, je me trouvais à Roma. I was in Roma. Yeah, I understand now you don't know Green Corner because Green Corner is in Condesa and Polenco. There's one in Santa Fe and I think, yeah, you should go once. If you have the opportunity, ask your friends to bring you to a restaurant because it's organic and you can eat with grass. You can eat, it's very nice actually, and you can buy stuff. I buy the candies, all my daughter's candies, I buy them there because they're organic. They don't put any artificials or food coloring. So it's safer for my daughter. You have no idea how many candies Mexican kids are eating every day. And Chris says they sell candies as well. So I don't give money to my daughter because I don't want her to buy their crap. And it's a private school, and mind you, it's a private school, but anyway. So, c'était bien. It was good. Was it good? C'était bien. So, you told me you had a problem with the bedroom. So, la chambre. Il n'y avait pas de miroir because it's a past. There wasn't any mirror. Okay. Il n'y avait pas de miroir. We can add an S as well. Hein? Il n'y avait pas de miroir. Cette fois-ci, this time. Cette fois-ci. You also ate this jackfruit fruit. I don't like this stuff. Tu aimes ce fruit? Do you like this fruit? But you had an allergic reaction. You didn't know. So now you know. But I don't buy this stuff because I know nobody's gonna eat it here and I'm not gonna end up being the one eating the whole thing. So, do you like this fruit? Tu aimes ce fruit? J'aime ce fruit. Je n'aime pas ce fruit. Ou je n'aime pas les jacques. That is not a common fruit in France. You're not gonna find it. And, or rarely, but we don't buy that. We're more like, apples, oranges, peaches, apricots, cherries, ananas, pineapple. There's coconut as well, but not jack. So, je n'aime pas les jacques parce que je suis allergique. Parce que je suis allergique. I can write it down. It's not on the transcript because I already sent it to you. Parce que je suis allergique. Always be careful, huh? When I came to America the first time, I had so many allergies. I didn't understand what was happening to me. So, qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger en général? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger en général? What do you like eating in general? Au Mexique, des tacos. Okay, des tacos. We don't pronounce the S in French. Des tacos al pastor. Okay. C'est tout? That's it? Est-ce que tu bois du mezcal? Do you drink mezcal? Est-ce que tu bois la tequila? Est-ce que tu bois de la tequila? Alors, tequila préféré. Next time you go there, buy the Siete Leguas. It's not that expensive, and it's very good. I've tried the Don Julio. It's okay. Not all of them are good. There are very disgusting tequilas as well. But anyway, not all of them are good, seriously. So, je ne suis pas d'accord, that means I disagree. But if I want to say I agree, so agree is je suis d'accord. At this point, you should be able to come up with this kind of answer because you can be like, well, I know that ne pas is a negative form. I drop it and je suis d'accord. I agree. I disagree. Je ne suis pas d'accord. Okay. So, you can eat comida corrida ou dans les restaurants de luxe, fancy restaurants, de luxe, fancy. Moyen is medium, average. On the magazine, let's see if I can have it somewhere. It's already open somewhere. Let me just find it. That's this one. Les bistrots. So you have this magazine now. I'll send it to you. And bistro. Not everything is good. But we were looking at the pictures actually. Oh, actually, it was the first one. Sorry about that. So, on voit des gens. On voit des gens, we see people, ou les gens, people, des gens, some people. On voit des gens qui boivent et qui mangent, we see people drinking and eating. Okay. On voit des verres, we see glasses. On voit beaucoup de verres, we see a lot of glasses. So be careful of the difference. On voit des verres, we see some glasses. Et on voit beaucoup de verres, we see a lot of glasses. On voit des photos, we see pictures. Bon, paintings, c'est des peintures. Des peintures. Beaucoup de peintures, a lot of paintings. Beaucoup de photos, a lot of pictures. On voit des bougies, candles, bougies. Okay. On voit beaucoup d'hommes, that's pretty much true. Let me see, I don't know if this guy, woman, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, 7. 7 women, and it's a guy, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, more men. So, on voit beaucoup d'hommes, we see a lot of men, pas beaucoup de femmes, not too many women. C'est un petit bistrot. So, there are like different expressions. You don't have to learn them, you know, I just wanted to give you different options. So, you can say, je bois du vin, I drink wine, or je bois un coup, I'm having a drink. Okay? So, prendre un coup is to have a drink. Prendre un coup is to have a drink. Or prendre un pot is to have a drink as well. So, viens prendre un pot à la maison, that means come have a drink at home. Boire un coup à la maison, au café, au boire is to have a drink at home. Coffee bar. Je prends un coup, I have a drink. Je bois du vin, I drink some wine. Okay. J'ai pris un coup is like I had a drink. J'ai bu un coup, I had a drink. So we can say prendre un coup ou boire un coup, to say. So I introduced you to the passé composé and also to the imparfait. Those are the two main past tenses in French. J'ai mangé un sandwich, I ate a sandwich. Je suis allé en France, I went to France. So how do we make the passé composé? We have two verbs. J'ai mangé, je suis allé. So once we have some verbs, the majority of the verbs in French we use to have in the present tense, plus a past participle. Okay? So j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, ou elles ont. This is how we conjugate to have with all the subject pronouns. Okay? We take that and we add a verb. Like manger, we saw, that's a past participle. It's not an infinitive verb. Okay? Or, and you have some verbs, to be. They're gonna use to be. The present tense, je suis, tu es, il est, tu es, that's not tu as, tu es. Il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. And plus the past participle. But we're not gonna use all the verbs, just a few. Okay? So, Next time we're going to work more on that. That's where you're going to be able to talk about the past. So j'ai mangé, I ate. We know that manger it's infinitive. I want the past participle. I'm going to change ER into a E. J'ai travaillé, I worked. J'ai arrosé. J'ai arrosé. It's like I water the plants. I don't know why I put this stuff here. J'ai oublié, I forgot. Okay? So, this is a passé composé. It's called a passé composé. It's like a present, a past present and also a simple past. It's like I have eaten and I ate. Okay? So, we use this past tense when the action, the past action is completed. Over. It's done. Okay? So, qu'est-ce que tu vois? We saw after the next image. Let's see if I can find it. Ah, this is French. They just drink all the time. That was not this one. It's around. Voilà. Je vois des tables, beaucoup de tables. Ok. Je vois une table, I see a table. Qu'est-ce que tu vois? What do you see? Qu'est-ce que tu vois? What do you see? Je vois une table, I see a table. Je vois beaucoup de tables, I see a lot of tables. Chairs, chaises, beaucoup de chaises. Beaucoup de serviettes, napkins. Beaucoup de verres, glasses. Beaucoup de fourchettes, forks. Beaucoup de couteaux, knives. Je vois beaucoup de cuillères. Be careful of the spelling because some French have no idea how to spell this word. Je vois beaucoup de cuillères. I see a lot of spoons. So, table, chaise, serviette, verre, fourchette, couteau, cuillère. We didn't talk about the plate actually. Je vois beaucoup. There were no only plates, but just in case. Je vois beaucoup d'assiettes. Assiette, it starts with a vowel. So we can say d'assiettes. Je vois beaucoup d'assiettes. Quel est ton dessert favori? Quel est ton dessert favori? What is your favorite dessert? Les îles flottantes. Me too. When they're well prepared. Very, very, very good. Le trottoir is a sidewalk, so we can say it's on the sidewalk. But in French, we say à la terrasse. Je voudrais manger à la terrasse. I would like to eat on the sidewalk, basically. Ou dehors, outside. Je voudrais manger dehors. Je voudrais manger à la terrasse, sur la terrasse. C'est sur la terrasse, on the sidewalk. Je voudrais manger à l'intérieur. I would like to eat inside. Okay. Je voudrais manger à l'intérieur. Des amuse-gueules, des canapés, sous des snacks, appetizers. Est-ce que tu aimes les huîtres? Do you like oysters? Oui, les huîtres de Bretagne. There are different specialties, different names. Myself, I don't know the different names. When I was in Toulouse, I remember every Thursday morning was this guy, he was selling like 20 different varieties of oysters. They were all fresh, all good. That was amazing. You remember the basic stuff. J'aime l'eau, j'aime la glace, j'aime les huîtres, j'aime le vin. J'aime is always followed by le, la, les et l'apostrophe. Je voudrais, it's different. Je voudrais du, je voudrais de la, je voudrais des, je voudrais de à l'apostrophe. We can also say je voudrais un, ok? Je voudrais un poulet, je voudrais une assiette, je voudrais une fourchette, je voudrais un couteau. Whatever. It can be followed by un. Lire à la terrasse. That was a woman. She was reading at the table. So, lire à la terrasse. Okay. So, the French is to vapote. Vapoter is to vape. But it's changing now. Bavarder is to chat. J'aime bavarder. Je n'aime pas bavarder. I don't like to chat. I don't like chatting. Je n'aime pas bavarder en mangeant. I don't like chatting while eating. La cigarette me dérange. Cigarette bothers me. Et les chiens dans le restaurant. Les chiens, dogs in the restaurant. Les chiens me dérangent dans le restaurant. Dogs are bothering me in the restaurant. Okay. Take a look at the Greek corner. Okay. And Those are the exercises. Are not too many, but you can do a good job.